East?
What's good, man?
And then you finna get served. It's your turn. Ryan Jimmy. What's good, man?
Man, nothing.
Sound check.
That's almost like that. Eric Hilton, Rakim.
Fat nigga up there, suck my nigga. So let y'all know. So whenever the fat nigga, whenever the fat nigga rapping, tape that shit.
We about to win this.
Hey, so if we win this, dog, we gotta, like, as soon as possible throw a party.
Of course, my nigga. ASAP, you know.
I want it bad. I need it.
That was him saying.
I'm saying, hood poetry coming real soon. Development, East meets the West. Already know what it is. Indeed. Indeed. Oh, I use Fruity Loops.
Now this song is from the top. 5, 6, 7. Alright, here we go. 5, 6, 7.
No, say, come on, man.
Everything. We got everything. Everything. Alright. Oh. So what am I know? Do you got that? I said, do you got that? I'm trying to be a star right now.
Oh, come on, man. Come on. Do it, please. Come on, East. Do it. Say it. It's not possible. It's not possible. I'm not the baby daddy.
Hey, oh, hey, hey,
Something life is easy, never can't seize. Told them I'm not meant, never can't freeze.
pray that half hey. We sound too raggedy. One more time. Alright, from the top.
Yes, sir. Let me tell you what you do when life comes at you. Hey. Yes, sir.
Jesus, that's what I need, that's the fact. So I go to church on every Sunday. Well, if I miss, now he be pissed, but he's still on my side. So he know I give it up to him and not nobody else, cause they can't help me. And you should help yourself, cause JCS know he come to the rescue. It's time you keep hating on me and my saints, cause I'm like a man, I'm never looking like a donkey. I'm trying to get the money, stack the dollars up. Yes, sir, God, he knows what's up.
So I'ma get the big banker. And if you really don't get like this winker. Hey, baby girl, yeah, I'm trying to do the godly thing, but I want the bling bling and diamond rings, but I don't need it. Seems like I got it, gotta have it, but no, I know it's an object. I ain't running from the goal, trying to give up the soul to the low. See what with the thing? Bring a happy.
New track, Love Lush, DJ West, FS, you already know. Ooh, yeah.
I want it back. I need it now to myself. I don't want nobody else. I need it, girl. I want it back. I need it, girl.
This ain't the song that
What would I be without you? I know your word is true. It's rude, baby.
It's hot here.
Hot
It's
fire.
getting hot in this spot.
It's hot like a bum's breath.
Hey.
I'll make it go, you go, I'll make it go, you go,
Hey.
I'll make it go, go.
Yeah, we do it without one.
What you gonna do?
Let's try that. Check, 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 mic check. Alright, one check. Check, check. Hey, can we fix this mic a little bit? A little more, make it a little hotter. Gonna run, gonna stand right still. Ain't gonna do nothing but my master's will. Saying this bad, and I'm so glad. That's the soul that he thought he had. What you gonna do? That sound alright? What, you excited?
On camera. Hey, do the food drop. Food drop, food drop.
Here we go, come on. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the weather's on fire?
Where you gonna run? Where you gonna run?
What you gonna do when the weather's on fire?
Where you gonna run? Where you gonna run?
What you gonna do when the weather's on fire?
Where you gonna run? Where you gonna run?
Alright, I'm gonna do, we gonna keep the verses short, just like that. What was that, like 8?
I really do want us to like cross over like that too, like you know, just not just to be like in the hip hop field. We just want to make music for everybody, so we can just be that that group, so we can stand out. Cause it's a million rap groups out here in America, but so now, I mean, by us trying to be in, we got to do everything, cause not all the rap groups are doing everything.
I need it, girl, to myself. I don't want nobody else. I need it, girl. I want it back. I need it, girl. I want it back. I need it, girl. I want it back. I need it to myself. I don't want nobody else.
Okay. Hey, easy, you won't chew it down, please. But you find yourself messing around with little sleeves. Hell yeah, I never wanted her to leave, but she hit me rock bottom like the pedigree. It's a battle, love and lust. How could this be love when all we do is fuck? I mean